Hi there. Once again, I'm here to show you one more application. This application is live on store. I request you please don't expect this video as a tutorial video. This video I'm making especially for recruiters only to show what kind of application I can make. And this application is a kind of travel related application where you can get some features to book your flight tickets, hotels, visas, and other stuff. This application I have made on Swift 5 for iOS only. Unfortunately, this project source code is not available on GitHub, but some of the components which I can share for open source community, it is available in my GitHub account. So you can go through the GitHub link which is shared below. I wish to say thank you for visiting my profile and watching this video. Have a wonderful day.